The middleweight motorcycle kingdom is no longer safe. For decades, a few legendary brands held an absolute monopoly over the streets. They charged premium prices while giving us the exact same basic tech year after year. But right now, the entire landscape is shifting. A dangerous new challenger has just breached the gates, and it is ready to strip the crown away. This is not a concept. This is not a drill. This is the 2026 Cfmoto 800 NK. Look closely at those aggressive lines. It looks less like a machine and more like an apex predator waiting to strike. But this naked street fighter is not just about outer beauty. Underneath that muscular frame lies a heart made of pure mechanical fury. We are talking about a 799cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This powerhouse is capable of unleashing a staggering 100 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 81 Newton-meters of torque. When you crack that throttle open, the acceleration is instantaneous. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. That is fast enough to make your heart jump straight into your throat. It keeps pulling hard until it hits an incredible top speed of 139 miles per hour. But straight line speed is useless if you cannot control it. That is why this machine is engineered to carve corners like a scalpel. It features a premium, fully adjustable KYB suspension setup at both the front and the rear. You can tune it exactly to your riding style, whether you are splitting urban traffic or dragging knees on mountain roads. Combined with high-performance Maxxis tires and a lightweight chassis weighing just 186 kilograms, this motorcycle changes directions faster than a thought. When it is time to slow down, dual 320mm front discs clamped by radial 4-piston J1 calipers bring you to a sudden, confident halt, backed completely by an advanced Bosch anti-lock braking system. The technology inside this bike makes traditional naked bikes look like ancient history. Right in the center of the cockpit sits a massive, 8-inch portrait-oriented TFT display. It functions exactly like a premium tablet clamped to your handlebars. It features full Apple CarPlay integration, built-in navigation, offline maps, and over-the-air software updates. You even get a smart keyless start system. If your authorized mobile device or Bluetooth key is within 2 meters of the vehicle, it activates automatically. You can switch between 3 distinct riding modes on the fly: street, rain, and sport, altering the ride-by-wire throttle response instantly. The ultimate twist is the price tag. While competitors demand well over $10,000 for these exact premium specifications, this beast shatters the market with a starting price of just $8,699. Thanks for watching.